Where and why do people need to calculate circumference, length and area of a circle? In fact, people use this knowledge for many jobs, such as construction engineering, petroleum engineering, and environmental protection. This video will show you how knowledge about circumference, length and area of a circle is used in microbiology and bacteriology. Bacteriology is the branch of microbiology that studies various bacteria, such as those who reside in humans, animals, plants, water, or soil. Let's see how bacteriology specialists use knowledge about circumference, length and area of a circle in their work. Specialists often must observe and measure the size of bacteria. For example, they need to measure the perimeter, area and volume of the bacteria. There are different techniques for making it. Let's have a look at one of them.